Hi, my name is Chantel, one of the co-founders of Locals Insight. Today, as a part of our initiative to interview locals from around the world, we're sitting down with Trisha, a local from New Delhi, to learn more about what top 3 monuments you should go to when you visit New Delhi. I'm sure the capital of India, there must be like so many monuments and just a lot of things to see. What would you say are the top 3 or a few monuments that someone should see when they visit?
Yeah, for sure. So when I have a lot of friends visit, I typically take them to India Gate. That is the most, recognizable landmark of New Delhi. It kind of is similar to the Arc de Triomphe in Paris. It looks very similar to that. So I typically take, my friends to India Gate. That's a popular monument to see. Other than that, Parliament or going to, the Prime Minister's house, that's another part of Delhi it's really nice. And I would say Delhi is a very green city in comparison to a lot of the cities around it. So, and there's a lot of like government offices, as I said, Prime Minister's house is there, Parliament's there. So it's very politics focused, the city of New Delhi. I'd also take friends to Jantar Mantar, which is another popular monument in New Delhi. There's so many, but those are some of my favorites.
And that's a wrap on this video with Trisha. If you want to learn more about her story, and New Delhi in general, head over to our main interview linked below. We talk about food, culture, religion, language, Bollywood movies, and so much more. So just go watch that because you won't regret it. And if you're curious about what we're doing here, this is called the Local Rundown. It's an initiative by Locals Insight to interview locals from around the world to share what you should know before you go visit. And again, if you're curious about Locals Insight, we are a company that promotes authentic discovery when you go travel. So essentially, we have an app that launched last year, 2022, and you're able to upload your own recommendations from things to do, see, eat, experience, and nightlife. And we have recommendations from all over the world, so go over there and check it out. You can also check out our website linked below. We talk about our story, how we came to be, and all that good stuff. So thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Subscribe for more, and looking forward to making more memories with you guys. Bye.